Educational Information and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on chromosomal mutations. Previously, we discussed gene mutations, or point mutations. These are the smallest, yet most significant type of gene mutation. We discussed substitution, deletion, and addition, which are the three types of point mutation. We learned that substitution does not always result in a functional change. However, deletion and addition, which are collectively known as framework mutations, do result in functional change. In today's lesson, we will describe chromosomal mutations. We will discuss aneuploidy, polyploidy, and autopolyploidy. Students, if you are ready, then we will begin. Chromosome mutations occur as a result of changes in the arrangement or structure of chromosomes. Mutations often take place during meiosis, or sex cell formation in prophase 1. Several different types of chromosomal mutations result in the structure change of a chromosome. These mutations are more substantial than point mutations. They often result in the death of a cell, and they can even have an effect on the entire organism. For example, if chromosomal mutations affect essential parts of the DNA of a fetus, the fetus could be aborted. Let us discuss a few different types of chromosomal mutations, including aneuploidy, polyploidy, and autopolyploidy. Aneuploidy is a chromosomal mutation that involves an abnormal number of chromosomes. When homologous chromosomes do not separate successfully to opposite poles during meiosis, the result is that one of the gametes lacks a chromosome, while the other has an extra chromosome. An extra chromosome, or a missing chromosome, can cause genetic disorders, such as birth defects. In fact, the term birth defect is defined as an illness caused by abnormalities that exist in genes or chromosomes. When chromosome 21 does not separate successfully and it is present in full, or part of an extra 21st chromosome is present, the result is a condition known as Down syndrome. Down's syndrome was named after a British physician named John Langdon Down, who identified the condition in 1866. The effects and extent of the syndrome vary widely amongst the people who have it. However, it is often associated with some degree of impairment of cognitive ability and physical growth, as well as a distinctive set of facial characteristics. Approximately 1 in 733 babies are born with Down syndrome, although the condition is statistically more common when older parents conceive. Students, please read the following sentences and fill in the missing words.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello, class. Were you able to fill in all of the missing words correctly? Aneuploidy is a chromosomal mutation that involves an abnormal number of chromosomes. Chromosome mutations occur as a result of changes in the arrangement or structure of chromosomes. Down syndrome is a chromosomal condition that is caused by the presence of an extra copy of the 21st chromosome. Chromosomal mutations most often take place during meiosis, or sex cell formation in prophase 1. Great work, everyone. Polyploidy is a distinct type of aneuploidy. Polyploid is a term that is used to describe cells and organisms that contain more than 2 sets of chromosomes. Most eukaryotic species only have 2 sets of chromosomes and are referred to as diploid. This is because eukaryotic species receive 1 set of chromosomes from each parent. Polyploidy occurs when there is abnormal cell division. This can occur either during mitosis or, more commonly, during metaphase 1 in meiosis. Polyploidy is particularly common in plants, such as ferns and Hibiscus rosa sinensis. However, it can occur in some animals as well, such as goldfish, salmon, and salamanders. While chromosomal mutations can cause genetic diseases and conditions, it is also necessary for natural selection and evolution to take place. Wheat is a good example. Due to millions of years of hybridization and modification by humans, many different strains of wheat have evolved. Wheat has strains that are diploid, which means they have 2 sets of chromosomes, tetraploid, which has 4 sets, and hexaploid, which has 6 sets. Autopolyploids are polyploids that have multiple chromosome sets that come from a single species. Autopolyploidy can occur as a result of a failure in the mitotic or meiotic process. This results in the formation of diploid rather than haploid gametes. Students, please define the terms polyploidy and autopolyploidy. Then, describe how each mutation occurs.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up! Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, students. Were you able to define those terms? Let us discuss the answers together. Polyploidy is a type of chromosomal mutation in which cells and organisms contain more than 2 sets of chromosomes. This occurs as a result of abnormal cell division. Autopolyploidy is when polyploids have multiple chromosome sets that come from a single species. This also occurs as a result of abnormal cell division. Did you complete that activity correctly? If you had any trouble, please review your notes. Today, we learned about a few different types of chromosomal mutations, including aneuploidy, polyploidy, and autopolyploidy. Next time, we will learn about several more chromosomal mutations, such as deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. This is all for our lesson today. Until next time, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.